How to add JPEG in WIX. Go to the WIX website and log in with your credentials. You'll see your WIX dashboard where you can manage your website. On your dashboard, find and click the Edit Site button. This will take you to the WIX editor where you can make changes to your site. Navigate to the page where you want to add your JPEG image. Look for the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. This is the button you use to add new elements to your page. Hover your mouse over the image option that appears when you click the plus icon. A menu will show up. From the menu, click on Upload Images to start uploading your JPEG file. A pop-up window will open. Click on Upload from your computer to select an image file from your own computer. Find the JPEG file you want to add in your File Explorer. Double-click on it to start uploading. After the image has uploaded, you'll see it in the WIX editor. Click Add to Page to place the image on your selected page. Click on the image you just added. You'll see handles around the edges. Click and drag these handles to resize the image as needed. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click the Publish button in the top right corner to make your changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.